Hello everyone, welcome to another series of weekly current affair quiz. Let's begin today's session. First question is, which theme was used for the first time for World Mental Health Day in 1994? Mental health and aging, mental and physical health across the lifespan, improving the quality of mental health services throughout the world, or psychological and mental health first aid. The correct answer is option C, improving the quality of mental health services throughout the world. In 1994, at the suggestion of the then Secretary General Eugene Brody, a theme for the day was used for the first time. This theme was improving the quality of mental health services throughout the world. Next question is, which of the following is or are short stories written by Munshi Premchand? 1. दो बैल, 2. ईदगाह, 3. बड़े घर की बेटी. Options are only 1 and 2, only 3, only 1 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Premchand is among the greatest short story writers and novel writers of both Urdu and Hindi languages. Among his short stories are दो बैल, ईदगाह, बड़े घर की बेटी, शतरंज की बाजी, पंचायत etc. Next question is, which of the following statement or statements are true with reference to territorial army? 1. It is a part of the regular army. 2. The Territorial Army Act was passed in 1948. Options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. The Territorial Army Act was passed in 1948 and the first Indian Governor, General Shri C. Rajgopalachari, formally inaugurated the Territorial Army on 9 October 1949. This day is celebrated as the Territorial Army or TA Day every year. It is a part of regular army and its present role is to relieve the regular army from static duties and assist civil administration in dealing with natural calamities and maintenance of essential services in situations where life of the communities is affected. Next question is, who among the following served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1993 to 1995? Akhilesh Yadav, Yogi Adityanath, Mulayam Singh Yadav, or Mayawati? The correct answer is option C, Mulayam Singh Yadav. Recently, Mulayam Singh Yadav died on 10th October 2022 at the age of 82. He was the founder of the Samajwadi Party and served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh thrice, that is from 1989 to 91, 1993 to 95, and from 2003 to 2007. Next question is, which of the following launch vehicles successfully launched the Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft into Earth's orbit? GSLV Mk3, GSLV Mk1, GSLV F10, or GSLV F11? The correct answer is option A, GSLV Mk3. Chandrayaan-2 was launched on July 22, 2019 from Sriharikota by a geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle, that is GSLV Mark III. The spacecraft consisted of an orbiter, lander and a rover. Next question is, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change constituted a task force for monitoring of cheetahs. This task force will be in force for a period of 3 years, 4 years, 1 year, or 2 years. The correct answer is option D, 2 years. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on October 7 constituted a task force for monitoring cheetahs that were recently introduced in Madhya Pradesh, Kuno National Park and other suitable designated areas. The task force will be in force for a period of 2 years. Next question is, the National Conference on Skilling in Non-Traditional Livelihood for Girls is called बेटियां बने सफल, बेटियां बने कुशल, बेटियां बने कामयाब, और बेटियां बने कौशल. The correct answer is option B, बेटियां बने कुशल. Ministry of Women and Child Development, that is MWCD, organized National Conference on Skilling in Non-Traditional Livelihood, that is NTL for girls, Betiyan Bane Kushal, under the banner of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao on the occasion of the International Day of the Girl Child? Next question is, the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Stockholm, was founded in which year? 1739, 1738, 1737 or 1736? The correct answer is option A, 1739. The prize in economic sciences is awarded by the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Stockholm, Sweden, according to the same principles as for the Nobel Prizes that have been awarded since 1901. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, founded in 1739, is an independent organization whose overall objective is to promote the sciences and strengthen their influence in society. Next question is, which anniversary of the International Day of the Girl or IDG was observed this year, that is 2022? 5th, 10th, 2nd or 3rd? The correct answer is option B, 10th. In 2022, we commemorated the 10th anniversary of the International Day of the Girl, that is IDG. On December 19, 2011, UNGA adopted resolution to declare October 11 as the International Day of the Girl Child. Next question is, who among the following is the founder of the city of Amritsar? Guru Nanak, Guru Angad, Guru Amar Das or Guru Ram Das? The correct answer is option D, Guru Ram Das. Guru Ram Das, also called Bhai Jetha, was the fourth Sikh Guru, 1574 to 81. He was the founder of the city of Amritsar, the center of Sikhism and the site of the sixth principal place of worship, the Harmandir Sahib or Golden Temple. Next question is, the World Economic Forum or WEF is headquartered in Hungary, Germany, Switzerland or United Kingdom? The correct answer is option C, Switzerland. The World Economic Forum or WEF was established in 1971 as a not-for-profit foundation and is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Next question is, who among the following served as the first CJI or Chief Justice of India? Justice Harilal Jekisundas Kania, Justice M. Patanjali Shastri, Justice Meher Chand Mahajan or Justice Sudhi Ranjan Das? The correct answer is option A, Justice H.L. Kania. Justice H.L. Kania or Harilal Jekisundas Kania was the first CJI or Chief Justice of India. He served as the Chief Justice of India from 1950 to 1951. Next question is, the Multinational Joint Anti-Terror Exercise or JATE is conducted at Manesar, Chennai, Visakhapatnam or Kolkata? The correct answer is option A, Manesar. JATE is an annual counter-terrorist exercise held within the framework of the SCO RATS. Stage 1 of the exercise was conducted from July 27 to August 1, 2022 by the National Counter-Terrorism Forces NCTF of SCO member countries in their respective territories. Stage 2 of the exercise was conducted from October 8 to 13 at NSG Manesar Garrison. Next question is, where was the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction adopted? China, Japan, India or USA? The correct answer is option B, Japan. The Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction 2015 to 2030 was adopted at the 3rd UN World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction in Japan in March 2015. The primary goal of the Sendai Framework is to avoid creating new and reduce existing risks. Next question is, NASA's DART or Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission is composed of which of the following asteroids? Didymos and Dimorphos, Hermes and Didymos, Hermes and Dimorphos or none of the above? The correct answer is option A, Didymos and Dimorphos. NASA's DART system is composed of two asteroids, the larger asteroid Didymos, diameter 780 meters, and the smaller moonlet asteroid Dimorphos, whose diameter is 160 meters, which orbits the larger asteroid. Next question is, where was the second WADA Athlete Biological Passport or ABP Symposium held in 2018? Doha, New Delhi, Beijing or Rome? The correct answer is option D, Rome. Recently, the third WADA ABP Symposium was hosted in India for the first time. The first WADA ABP Symposium was hosted by the Anti-Doping Lab Qatar in November 2015 in Doha, Qatar. And the second symposium was organized by the Italian Federation of Sports Medicine, that is FMSI, in 2018 in Rome, Italy. Next question is, flex fuel is a mixture of which of the following? Petrol and ethanol, gasoline and propane, CNG and ethanol, or propane and CNG. The correct answer is option A, petrol and ethanol. Flex fuel or E85 is a gasoline, that is petrol ethanol blend containing 51% to 83% ethanol. Next question is, the first Heli India Summit was held in which year? 2018, 2019, 2020 or 2017? The correct answer is option B, 2019. The first Heli India Summit was held in 2019 on the theme Enhancing Connectivity by Means of Helicopters. Next question is, what is split verdict? When the bench cannot decide one way or the other in a case. When the bench gives decision in a case, it can only happen when the bench has odd number of judges or none of the above. The correct answer is option A, when the bench cannot decide one way or the other in a case. A split verdict is passed when the bench cannot decide one way or the other in a case, either by a unanimous decision or by a majority verdict. Split verdicts can only happen when the bench has an even number of judges. This is why judges usually sit in benches of odd numbers, that is 3, 5, 7, etc. for important cases, even though two-judge benches known as division benches are not uncommon. Next question is, recently an exercise named Power X was successfully designed and conducted. It is related to which of the following? Cybersecurity, innovation and entrepreneurship, anti-corruption or insurance business in India. The correct answer is option A, cybersecurity. Recently, the cybersecurity exercise Power X was successfully designed and conducted. The objective of the exercise was to recognize, analyze and respond to cyber incidents in IT, that is information technology, and OT, that is operational technology systems. Next question is, which state will host the Deaf Expo 2022 to be held from 18th to 22nd October 2022? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat or Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is option C, Gujarat. The 12th edition of Deaf Expo 2022 on Land, Naval and Homeland Security Systems exhibition will be held from 18th to 22nd October 2022 at Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India. The exhibition will be held at Helipad Exhibition Center or HEC. Next question is, the Mercer CFA Institute Global Pension Index is made up of which of the following sub-indices? 1. Adequacy, 2. Sustainability, 3. Integrity. Options are only 1 and 2, only 2 and 3, only 1 and 3 or 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. The Mercer CFA Institute Global Pension Index benchmarks 44 retirement income systems around the world, highlighting challenges and opportunities within each. The index is made up of 3 sub-indices, adequacy, sustainability and integrity, to measure each retirement income system against more than 50 indicators. Next question is, which university topped the World University Rankings 2023? Harvard University, University of Cambridge, University of Oxford or California Institute of Technology? The correct answer is option C, University of Oxford. The University of Oxford tops the THE World University Rankings 2023 ranking for the 7th consecutive year. Harvard University remains in 2nd place, but the University of Cambridge jumps from joint 5th last year to joint 3rd. Next question is, the first logistics report was released in which year? 2019, 2015, 2017 or 2018? The correct answer is option D, 2018. Andhra Pradesh, Assam and Gujarat are among the 15 states and UTs categorized as achievers in the Logistics Index Chart 2022. The first logistics report was released in 2018. Last question is, the World Mining Congress or WMC is run by the Permanent Secretariat seated in Poland, Denmark, France or Switzerland? The correct answer is option A, Poland. The WMC or World Mining Congress is the UN affiliated organization. It is run by the Permanent Secretariat seated in Poland. So that's all for today. Share your scores and reviews. Thanks for watching.